Modbus is a widely used communication protocol in the field of industrial automation and control systems. It was developed in the late 1970s and has since become a de facto standard for connecting electronic industrial devices. Modbus TCP slave devices play a crucial role in industrial communication networks. They respond to requests initiated by a Modbus TCP master, facilitating the exchange of data between devices. The precise log series data loggers from Microedge Instruments can be easily configured to function as Modbus TCP slave devices. Visit their website and select Data Loggers. Then Precise Log. These Wi-Fi-based data loggers can measure voltage, current, thermistor and thermocouple signals. Open Site View software and plug a data logger to the USB port of the computer. The logger is detected and its icon is displayed under the USB communication panel. Double-click it and its status window should show. Click Configure button to pop up the configuration dialog. Click Wi-Fi settings to show Wi-Fi related settings. Choose Standard Server Mode as the Wi-Fi mode. Enter the SSID of your company's Wi-Fi network and the password so the data logger can join. Make sure to select Use Modbus Protocol checkbox and set the port number to 502. Click the OK button to save the settings to the data logger. Allow a minute or two for the data logger to successfully join the network. To discover the IP address assigned to the data logger by the DHCP server, click the Wi-Fi tab in the logger's status window. Click the Refresh button to update the information. Make a note of the data logger's IP address. Launch the Modbus host software called OpenModScan. Navigate to the Setup menu and select Data Definition to open the dialog. Configure the scan rate to 2 seconds. Set the slave address to 1. Choose Input Register for the point type. Enter 1 for the point address. Enter 9 for the length. Click the OK button to save the changes. Navigate to Connection menu and select Connect to open another dialog. Enter the IP address and the port number of the data logger. Click OK button to start the connection. Observe that the values for number of polls and valid slave responses are incrementing. The retrieved data is displayed in the list here. Utilize the equations provided in the data logger specification sheet to convert the integer values into their corresponding engineering values.